you doing, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Sam with Sam Carolina Landscaping. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to mulch like a pro. Be sure to comment, hit the like button, and subscribe for more videos. You rolling? All right, so let's say you got yourself a client that he wants mulch, he wants it to be put down all around the house, he wants it around trees, he wants all that. You need to have the right equipment, okay? So the first thing you're gonna need is you're gonna need a dump trailer. If you don't have a dump trailer, get you one. If you don't have a dump trailer, put it in the back of your pickup. If you don't have a pickup, then you need to get some help. The next thing after the dump trailer is you're gonna need 2 or 1, depending on how many people you have, wheelbarrows. Okay, you need those wheelbarrows to put that mulch in, be able to take it off on and put it around everything you need. You're gonna need yourself some pitchforks. Pitchforks are really important. Don't get a shovel. Shovels are tough. You can't dig straight into a pile of mulch with a shovel. That's just silly. Then, after that, take that truck and trailer, get yourself some mulch. It's about $30, $40 a yard. Get to the job, and then get your back into it. Thankfully, I've got myself someone like Ian. Say hi, Ian.
Hi.
He's very helpful and he's consistent, and he's gonna make the process a whole lot easier. Ian!
Yeah.
Yeah, you're also gonna need a steel blower. Size it. Like I said, you got the steel blower, don't forget it. And you're gonna take that and you're gonna blow it all out the bed so that you can put down that mulch, and it'll be real simple and real easy when you throw that mulch. You're not gonna have to fight with any of the weeds or any of the plants or anything like that. And unless there's plants that don't need to be taken down, then you don't take that down, you weed eat around that plant. You're gonna need to get everything trimmed back before you lay down that mulch, because if you put down the mulch on top of other stuff, then it's not gonna be any good. Hey, don't try too hard. You're doing too much. You need to do less.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go ahead and give him a little bit of a rundown. We're killing 2 birds with 1 pickle. I'm telling you how to do it. I'm gonna tell him how to do it. It's all gonna work out right now. First things first is that you got yourself a wheelbarrow there. What you wanna do is to spread it the most efficient way is not dumping. A lot of people, they like to dump, but what I do is I throw mulch. You're gonna take a handful right here, and you're gonna take that, and then you're gonna just throw it out like that. Okay, you listening, Ian?
Yeah.
Ian, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Tell him, say hi.
Hi.
Now you have to be real precise with it, because you're not trying to, see, you just threw some on the same mulch that I threw.
Yeah, but I thought we were putting it all on.
No, we're gonna put it on there, but you don't want to overstack it. It'd be silly to put more mulch on there. That's what you did.
Okay.
That kid's a hard worker, but sometimes he's stupid.
What did you say?
No, nothing. I don't like calling people stupid. When I say stupid, I mean like, you know, like when you're at the fair and they ask you if you have any tickets and you don't, and you try to get on the ride. That kind of stupid.
Well, where do I throw it now?
So there's a spot right there. There's a spot right here. Okay.
Yeah. But you said not to stack the mulch.
Well, listen.
This is your rules.
Listen. When there's a hole, we need to fill it.
Okay.
Now the best part about mulch is that you can just put it anywhere. It's gonna look good. It's just gonna make it. It's gonna pop. You know. It's just gonna make it pop. Yeah.
Where am I supposed to mulch?
Well, yeah, everywhere. You know where to mulch. Just mulch everywhere that it needs it.
Oh, okay.
So what I was saying is that you can practically put it anywhere you want, and it's gonna make it look good. Okay. You can throw it on beds. You can throw it around trees. What are you doing?
You said everywhere.
You need to find a place to put.
You said everywhere.
No, you need to find a place where it makes sense.
This makes sense.
That doesn't make sense.
Says who?
Now, whenever you're getting around a tree like this, is that you're gonna want to make a little gully. Okay, so you're just gonna kind of pull that back there and make just a little, you know, a moat, maybe like a moat. You could call it a moat, but you want it to be raised up on the sides. That way that that there is water that collects right there, so it's good for the tree. That way it grows properly, as opposed to not properly.
Yeah, it's my first day, but I don't know. He's kind of an odd guy. I don't know. He's all right though. He's pretty hard working. But I could have swore I saw him eating grass the other day. Like I'm almost 99% sure.
Finishing step is very important, is that when you're working on a place here, is that you've got some spots you still need to fill in. You go ahead and fill in those spots like that, right? You fill in them spots, making sure that everything is covered. Everything is absolutely covered. And that's because you don't want to have to go back. You take it in parts. You eat the elephant one bite at a time, okay? I've had guys that come up to me after I said, why didn't you do the rest of it? What are you doing? And they go, I was gonna do it at the end and go back and make sure that everything's just right. No, that's not what you're supposed to do. You finish one area and then you move on to the next. I'm sorry, sometimes I get a little frustrated whenever it comes to old workers I've had, because I've had good workers, I've had bad workers, I've had dumb workers, I've had stupid workers. Dumb and stupid are two different things. I'm telling you that right now. All right, folks, so that's the pretty much rundown of how to mulch like a pro. And if you have any other questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Be sure to like the video and subscribe. And I guess my final thing that I should share with you is you need to find yourself an Ian. Every business owner needs an Ian. Thanks for watching.